about the outcome of this meeting, sir?
Good afternoon, gentlemen of the press. We just finished a meeting with the representatives of the Federal Ministry of Petroleum and also the federal government, because the minister is here, and also the operators of the oil and gas. The meeting is in the instance of the situation in Bille. You are aware that there is a case of gas eruption somewhere in Bille, and they've been making some requests that the government should come to their rescue in responding to the situation. As a state, we have also gone to see the situation, not alone, but in conjunction with the operators and the Federal Ministry of Petroleum. What we're doing today is an enlarged meeting where all the parties are sitting together to look at the cause of the issue and the most possible way to get this problem resolved. And I can say that it was a very successful meeting, because you can see that the Bille community, ably represented by their chiefs, they are all smiling. Means that the outcome of the meeting was a good one. The minister will also make promises to them and also the operators. So I think in a couple of weeks, more actions will be taken in this regard.
All right, thank you very much. I salute the governor of Rivers State, who has been on hand to receive us and prepare us to proceed to Bille community, where we had the gas seepage. We are here as a delegation from the federal government with the permission of Mr. President that we should come and find out what exactly is going on. And inside the house, I've tried to let the governor and the people from the Bille community know that we were not silent over the whole thing. When we heard the news, the CCE, who is the regulator, took charge immediately and deployed experts into the area to understudy the cause of the seepage, and realizing the fact that we don't have gas or oil infrastructure within the vicinity of the incident. So there was need to carry out investigation. Investigation is still going on, but we say let it be a follow-up visit to the area after the visit of the governor, and to talk to the people of the Bille community that we need collaboration on their own part so that we'll be able to arrive at a lasting solution. The safety of the people is paramount. We can understand the anxiety, the worry, the danger that this thing has posted within the area, but the federal government is committed. We are with you on this very issue. Without the people, there is no government. And so the primary responsibility of government is to take care of the welfare and security of the people. And that's exactly why we are here, to go and see things for ourselves and plead with the people. Let them be a little bit patient, that we are working on finding a lasting solution to resolve the situation in Bille community, so that there will be a sustainable environment for all of them. The leaders of the community have mentioned some issues or some requests. We are ready to do all those things, and I thank the governor who has taken charge to make sure the health situation, the health centers in that place is upgraded. What they have posted to the federal government is going to be done. And when they talk about the firefighting equipment, and the CCE has mentioned that before we arrive, the additional 10 will be there for them, and the remaining things will be done. Because if our people in Bille community are not happy, there is no way we will be happy to run a government. So I thank the governor and I thank the leaders from Bille community. We need cooperation. We'll arrive at our destination the moment the investigation is concluded. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.